Hi friends, we used Google AI system Gemini AI and used the chart prompt to test our certain pages, and we started with 3 pages and finally we improved 1 page content. Let's see how we have done this. I asked the model, do you know about the helpful content update by Google? Then it has given me a list of key points and it confirmed that it is well aware of it. Then I told him that I will give you the URL. You check the site based on these and suggest the improvements. Fine, then I gave my inputs. I gave 3 input URLs. These 3 addresses are taken from a common site, same design, templates are same, author is same, and the focus is in the same area. Then we found that though the 3 different URLs, it has given a 3 different set of suggestions, but all the suggestions were based on 7 common headings, and these headings are taken from the Google's helpful content update. So content uniqueness and value, user focused writing, demonstrating expertise, addressing user intent, enhancing readability, addressing user experience signals, prioritizing quality over quantity. These suggestion points are kept on the left hand side and all the actionable points were marked also, and then we started working on that particular page. So to improve based on these suggestions, though everything is not practicable and there are some loose ends were also there, then we added the changes to the pages. On the next run, it identified the improvements and suggested what is implemented and what is partly implemented also. Based on these suggestions, we have added some sections and changed the headlines also, giving more descriptive headlines, and added at the top one show table content. So you are given all the links to the subheadings. Here are some of the suggestions we implemented, and this is our observation. It is not able to pick up the related links, so it is telling that your content is not exhaustive, you have to add more. But those sections were already available in the sub pages. Then it's internal linking, it must understand, and when the length of the page also increased when you added more content, it suggested that to add a table of content. So doing all these things, we have found out what are the changes also it has suggested, and the changes it has correctly identified also. To the large extent, our conclusion is it's an excellent tool to suggest you the improvements, but however, all its suggestions may not work, or it may take a different view. You may take it as an author and decide on where to work and where not to work. That's the experiment we did by using Gemini chatbot, and we are given all the instructions. Now subsequently more pages we will be checking and we will be posting our results also. What you think? Do you think this is going to help you, and if it is properly tuned, how it is you are going to implement it? Leave these messages in the comment section so we can further improve it or further how to work on it. We will also be posting our results here itself, and let's hope that this in future is going to be more powerful and help us in our SEO journey. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add new tutorials, and we are frequently doing that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.